All right, guys, one more overview I want to do. Let's take a look into our calendars and our forms. So with the calendars, you can set up as many calendars as you want in your account, and you can allow clients to book in your calendar. Now, what it does as well is that it will connect with your Google and your iCal calendars so that it will bring up, in fact, I'll just show you this one, which is my account here, my dummy account. Let's show you this. So you can see that what happens is that, so this is taking information. This is just my personal stuff. It's taking all my personal details from my calendar, from my Google Calendar, and then it will know when it can and can't book appointments for me. Then you can create heaps of different calendars for people to book in. So for example, with my Wedding Beauty Pro here, Emma, my hair and makeup artist that I'm creating this for, right now, we're setting up her calendar so that her wedding, her brides can book in with her. This is what the calendar looks like, the booking looks like, so they can make a booking, and we can embed this on her website, or it can just be created as a link, and then the brides can just book in on her calendar, and then it will show up not just on her calendar inside of the Biz Hub, it'll also create an appointment inside of her Google Calendar or her iCal, which is the iPhone calendar. That's the one thing. The second thing I want to show you, let's just go back here. The second thing I want to show you is if we go to forms, we can create lots of different forms for clients to fill in. Now, one of the main things that I'm pre-building again for the account, so you guys will have access to this form as well that you can just adjust to suit you, is a bride inquiry form. So again, this can be embedded on the website. You can integrate it in the website, or it can be a standalone form. It can be a pop-up on your website, whatever you want it to be. We actually embed this in her calendar. So our client, the idea is that the bride, might check her out on her website or on her socials. They'll click the link to make a booking. And on that booking, we say, hey, we'd love to give you an accurate quote. Book in a consultation with Emma, fill out your details, fill out your form with as much details as you can, and then we'll have that quote ready for you when you jump on a call with Emma in a couple of days' time. So this is what we do. We have this booking form, and it's so easy. You can create as many of these as you like, and it's literally a case of, okay, drag and drop, right? I need the name, I need address. And if these are the standard things that we request generally in a form, but what you can do is you can create your own custom fields as well. So you can see here that I've asked, tell me a little bit about your wedding. Do they require hair, makeup, or both for the bride? Who else is having hair and makeup? How many people? That kind of stuff. So we can set up your own customized forms. So those two things are awesome to, again, just make things super simple, get brides to be able to just come to your website, give you all the details that you need to create quotes, get them onto a call, get them onto a Zoom call, and it interacts with Zoom, it interacts with your calendars, and I'm going to show you in the next video how it interacts with email as well.